Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we will discuss how to enable two-step verification for WhatsApp on Android. WhatsApp is a popular messaging app allowing you to communicate with friends and family worldwide. Two-step verification provides an extra layer of security for your account by requiring additional login information. We will walk through steps to activate two-step login on WhatsApp Android. First, open the WhatsApp app on your Android phone or tablet. Tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings from the menu. Look for Account and tap to access account options. Underneath, choose Two-Step Verification to manage extra security settings. The two-step verification page contains options for enabling login protection. Tap Enable to start the setup process. You will now be prompted to create a 6-digit PIN code, entered each time accessing WhatsApp. The PIN adds an extra barrier to unauthorized access of your account information. After entering your preferred PIN, re-enter the code to confirm before continuing. This ensures the PIN is entered correctly to avoid future complications. An email address is required and verified to help regain access in the event the PIN is forgotten. The provided email will receive a link to reset your WhatsApp password if needed. Review and verify any information added, including the email, before proceeding to the final step. Accuracy helps prevent issues with enabling or using two-step verification. With all details entered correctly, tap Save to complete the setup process. Two-step login will now be required when opening the WhatsApp app on your Android device and other registered phones, tablets. Third-party WhatsApp features, mods, or add-ons could introduce security vulnerabilities rather than using built-in tools. For enabling extra security, the WhatsApp settings themselves provide an easy solution. In summary, to activate two-step verification on WhatsApp, open WhatsApp, Settings, Account, Two-Step Verification, tap Enable, enter a 6-digit PIN, confirm the PIN, add a verified email address, and tap Save. Your account will now require the PIN and email to access WhatsApp. Let me know if two-step login on WhatsApp Android needs any clarification. I can provide additional guidance for setup and use of the feature. Thank you for watching. I hope these instructions were helpful. Have a wonderful day. Please feel free to message us via direct message with other questions. We are here to support using social media, messaging features, and more. Stay safe.